Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top. Select device preferences. Go down. Select Chromecast built-in. So we have to ensure that TV has Chromecast feature. So this TV has Chromecast feature. That is why we are seeing this option Chromecast built-in. Then go to about. And here we can see device name. Please note this name. This name we can edit, we can give any name here. This is the name of the TV which I am using. Please note this name. Then go back. Then again go to settings. Select network and internet. So here we can see this TV is connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So we have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So here this TV is connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We can also use mobile hotspot. Okay, so let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings app. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on network and internet. You can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We can also use mobile hotspot. Then open Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store app icon. Then we need to install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on open. This is a Google Home app. In this app we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices. Here we can see devices tab. Tap on that. So here we can see Android TV. This is the name of the TV which I am using. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So that is why this Google Home app has detected my TV. So that is why it's showing the TV name here. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on cast my screen. Then tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So this way we can do screen mirroring. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. You can watch YouTube videos in full screen. So next I will show you how to stop this. Again, if you want to stop, again go to Google Home app. Tap on Google Home app icon. Here we can see stop mirroring. Tap on stop mirroring. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. Please check it.